Good day, little friends. Hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself. So welcome to this introduction session for Unsung Heroes of Bharat. My name is Therwadkar Rajiv and I've got Shrikant Patwardhan sir and Abhay Joshi sir with me. We all represent Active Catalyst. It's an initiative where various projects related to boosting kids' creativity, imagination and talent will be executed. The idea is to guide future generation wherever possible to excel in gaming or programming or even animation projects, or maybe creating short films using animation, using Scratch programming platform or something similar. So some of you have taken part in Virtual Bappa before. It was a competition using Scratch programming platform. India celebrated its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021 with the usual pride to mark its freedom from British rule. We are now coming up with a unique competition called Unsung Heroes of Bharat. The competition is proudly organized by Active Catalyst and supported by Utkarsh Entertainment in association with Vidyarthi Vikas Pratishthan. So this competition is all about bringing out your creative juices to make a short film, maximum 5 minutes. We prefer to be between 2 minutes to 5 minutes animation story using Scratch programming platform of any of your favorite unsung heroes. In this video, I'm going to give a few of the guidelines on the competition. So rules, regulations, most importantly. We will keep posting updates on Active Catalyst Facebook page. So make sure you like that page. My YouTube channel, obviously, I'll be posting quite a lot of stuffs, especially the workshop. So when you need more tips and tricks when it comes to the animation story creation and all, we will give all those tips through my YouTube channel as well. So make sure to like the page as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next is this competition is only for storytelling and animation. So it's all about storytelling using animation, using Scratch programming platform. We do not accept games. We do not accept only just like images and music and all of that. It has to be proper animation, otherwise it gets disqualified. The idea is to identify your unsung hero and write a short story about your hero. There's so many unsung heroes which we don't know of. Like, for example, Udham Singh. We didn't know of Udham Singh, that what he has done in the past. The feature film that we saw recently, only then we came to know what actually he has achieved and done for our nation. So similarly, there are so many. For example, like we have Rani Lakshmibai, we have Bhagat Singh, we have Khudiram Bose, all those freedom fighters or unsung heroes that very few people know of. We have to bring their story up and make sure that you create a beautiful short story using animation. Now, there are many other unsung heroes which are not in the list. Like I have created a list which is available on Facebook. It's a short list. It doesn't include everyone, but make sure that you either look at the list, or if you know of someone else who are not even in the list, always welcome. As long as the story is inspirational and encouraging, always go for it. So please identify the hero and make a short story on him and her or her. Now, once you write the story is very important, short, sweet, 2 minute to 5 minute. Then you start creating the animation. So make sure the story is really good, create the animation and drawings which are related to that story. Make it as beautiful as possible and a beautiful animation story. Please note that the story should be between 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Again, I'm just repeating it to make sure that nobody goes beyond 5 minutes in length. Should not be more than that. Any story or any animation that is more than 5 minutes will be disqualified. Okay. Entry fee for the competition is only 50 rupees. We obviously provide the workshop free of cost. Update regarding how and where to make the payment will be posted on our Facebook page. So make sure you like our Facebook page, Active Catalyst. Okay, so when you go to Facebook, search for Active Catalyst, and then you will see maybe previous posts from Virtual Bappa, and you will see the post from this unsung hero. So like that page and start getting all the updates. The competition is for individual participation. There is no team event. We are not entertaining team event this time. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Only one entry per student will be considered, will be allowed. So if you have two, for example, if you have two entries, only one will be considered. Okay. First group is under 13 years of age and the second group is between 13 to 18 years. We'll be arranging a Scratch programming workshop giving guidelines on how to make the best possible short animation. So these guidelines, maybe there will be tips and tricks specific to Scratch programming, but more importantly, will be guiding like, how to zoom in, zoom out, or what is important while doing this animation story, like, different kind of shots, like if we need to have a wide shot, wide angle shot, or extreme close up, like, the close up of eyes, which are like blinking or something. So if you have those kind of things, if you have like background music, if you have your own recorded dialogues in a brilliant way, that's the best thing. That will get more marks. Okay. We recommend using recorded dialogues, as I mentioned, and try and get a music which is your own. If you create your own music and if you mention it there in your, like, the credit note, then obviously they will get extra point. We encourage those who have Facebook account to tag our Active Catalyst Facebook page and share your video. Create a short video of yourself, basically saying that why you have chosen that specific unsung hero that you have chosen, why you have chosen that unsung hero, what inspired you to choose that particular hero. That's something which I'm looking for. The prizes, as usual, they are 5,000 rupees for first prize. Then it will be 3,000 for second prize and 2,000 for third prize. We may, at our own discretion, may give 3 consolation prizes. It's not confirmed, but we may give it if we like one of the project, and if we think that, okay, yes, we should give consolation prize, we'll give it to 3 individuals. Now, you don't have to register for the competition right now. Okay, all you have to do is start working on your actual story or actual animation. That's what you have to do. Okay. We'll be arranging live workshop focusing on the best practices, as I mentioned before, creating animation stories and some of the important steps, as mentioned, tips and tricks, we'll be giving it to you. So make sure that you stay tuned with Facebook and with my YouTube video. You can start submitting the link of your Scratch programming platform or animation story only after 10th of January. So you have almost like less than a month, or we can say almost a month to work on your project, and the payment can be done just before submitting the project. So you can transfer it into Vidyarthi Vikas Pratishthan account, and then you obviously start submitting the project as well, so that we will know that you have already paid for that entry fee. Okay, any questions you have, then it must be sent to the email address, which we have mentioned it into our YouTube link here, and the same will be available on the Facebook as well. So the email address is active, ACTIVE dot catalyst, CATALYST dot in at gmail.com. Okay, so either me or Srikant sir, someone will respond to that emails. So once again, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well as the Active Catalyst Facebook page for any updates. Wish you all the best for the competition. Best wishes again, once again. Now the questions, we already have got a couple of questions. The first important question that was asked was the languages. How many languages we can do? So from that point of view, you can create the animation using Marathi language, Hindi language, or English language. Okay, so these are the three languages at the moment we are supporting, because most of the evaluators or the judges, they understand these three languages. So hopefully in future we'll get judges who can judge other languages. Let's hope and pray for the same. So how to do animation? Like the animation, we have quite a lot of information on the YouTube. If you go to our previous competition, Virtual Bappa, we have kept quite a lot of workshops. Even if you Google for Scratch programming workshop, you will find my workshop, or maybe Abhay Joshi sir's workshop, where he's guiding you how to do all these animations. So learn from there. You have to create your own objects or your own drawings. Make sure that they are unique. Don't copy from someone somewhere else or someone else. That's obviously is an invitation to get less marks. OK, so try and get your own characters as best as possible. OK, you can draw your own stuff. You can draw different positions or poses of that individual. Like, for example, if someone is, winking the eyes, or if they're closing the eyes, opening the eyes, talking something. So all those animations will play a very important role. OK, so those animations are very important. So I think that's it for now. Wish you all the best to everyone. And if there are any more questions, obviously you can send an email, as I mentioned, or in that case, you can put it on our Facebook page as well, or even on this YouTube. You can just put a comment, whatever question you have, and I'll answer it to you. OK, all the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.